Learning from the Ground Up Home Gardening Kit, a grant by the Texas Farm Bureau. You're first going to begin with your jar and your pebbles. Pour into the jar approximately a half a cup, but you can divide them between all three jars. Once those are level, you're then going to add in a thin layer of perlite. This is a medium to help keep the soil wet while your plants are growing. Go ahead and level that out as well. Now you're going to add some soil almost to the very top. You can use your hands or a cup, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that it's not compacted or pressed down. Keep filling until you get just below that rim. You can level it out by shaking it, adding just a little bit more. And now it's time to add your seeds. You have 3 different herb seeds. Here we're planting the cilantro. Cilantro are little hard round seeds that sometimes struggle to grow, so make sure that you do not overwater it. Sprinkle it around inside the jar on top of the soil. You can put as many are in the baggie if you'd like, or just a few. It's better to have more than not enough. Cover that now with a little bit of soil to make sure that the seeds are covered. But don't press down too hard. Now you're going to add some water. We don't want to drown it, but we definitely want to make sure that it's nice and wet and that you can see that the water has pooled down near the rocks and the perlite. This will allow for evaporation to take place and your soil will stay wet. If your seeds are present because you've watered, then go ahead and sprinkle a little more soil on top. Now add your marker, label it, and you're done and ready to grow. Happy growing!